Hey there, WhatsApp enthusiasts. Are you tired of using the same old stickers on WhatsApp? Well, today I've got something exciting for you, your very own WhatsApp sticker maker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom stickers for WhatsApp in a simple and easy way. So, let's dive right in. You can create stickers on WhatsApp in two ways. For the first method, we need an app for Sticker Maker, so we search for Sticker Maker in the Play Store. Any Sticker Maker app can be installed. I've already installed this app. Click Open to open this app. The interface will be open. Click on Plus now. Choose the picture you want to convert into a sticker. This is the one I choose. Stickers can be made in any shape you want. You can edit your picture by clicking on Select All. Select any element for your sticker here. Click the Create button. You have to see an ad here. You have successfully created a sticker. Click on Export now. Choose your WhatsApp account here. Click on the Add button. We have added Sticker Pack 1 to WhatsApp. Let's go out on WhatsApp now. Select the emoji. As you can see, we have a sticker pack. To create a sticker, we now use the second method. Click on Create. Write your prompt here to generate a sticker. As an example, I write Birthday Celebration. Our birthday celebration stickers have been generated. Then I write Happy Valentine's. As you can see, it generates Valentine's Day stickers. You can add stickers to your favorites by long clicking them. Click on the Add button. The sticker will be added to your favorites. And there you have it, folks, your very own WhatsApp sticker maker. Get creative, make some fun stickers, and spice up your conversations like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy sticker making!